While perusing my produce department, I found these gorgeous portabella caps, and I thought, I want to fill those with some of my tuna packets. 2 caps, 2 packs. I'm going to be using the Starkist Chicken Creations roasted garlic and herb, which has garlic, basil, and oregano in it. I'm going to be mixing that with a little bit of breadcrumb and pesto to play off that basil. And then the Tomato Basil Bean and Barley Smart Bowl. The beans are white beans, and there's also some garlic in here. But because it's already got all that good tomato and basil and such in it, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mozzarella to this one. And then I'm gonna bake these up in the air fryer for about 8 minutes. Let's go ahead and get the Smart Bowl opened. I love these Smart Bowls because they're complete. But of course I still gotta play with them. You can see all the goodies in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this as is to fill that cap. Oh my goodness. Damn. Mush it down so I have a nice even layer of everything. I'm gonna sprinkle the top of it with some of the chopped up stem. And then that mozzarella. And now for this one, got the chicken. Ooh. A little taste test here. I can taste the basil and oregano. The garlic is super mild in this one. Super mild. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to our bowl here. Add some of that diced up stem. Just a tiny sprinkle of the breadcrumbs to hold it together. Not much. And then to play out that basil, some pesto. Get it spread so I have a nice even layer. Beautiful. So now into the air fryer at 400 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Those came out gorgeous. Tomato basil ones are gonna hold on like a little pizza. Go ahead and give them a try. Starting with the roasted garlic and herb chicken. That pesto plays so nice with that chicken. I'm really proud of that one. That one came out so good. Now for this Tomato Basil Smart Bowl. Not only does it look like a mini pizza, pretty much tastes like one too, with a little bit of white bean added in. Both of these came out amazing. I wish you could be here to taste them. For this and more ideas of what to do with these amazing little protein packs, I created a freebie for you with every brand and every flavor. The link for it is down in the description. And to follow along with the rest of this protein pack journey, check out this playlist. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, and waste none. And I'll see you in the next one.